Today is wash day for Zoe's hair, so let's go get her. This is about to be a lot. So these are all of Zoe's contraptions. I have like a whole setup for her to wash her hair so this kid can be comfy and won't be complaining and crying about stuff. Right? Look at this hair. Show him your hair. Take your bonnet off. Oh. Woo, child. What are you doing? You're so silly. So yeah, I have to set up this whole thing. I mean, I don't have to, but we try to make our kids' life a little easier than ours were when getting our hair wash. So they have this little thing basically that holds her little iPad so she can watch something. Then we got this little cushion she can lay on. We got the water protector because she cries when it gets in her eyes. Right?
Mom, I have another one.
What? I know.
My rubber ducky! In my bathtub! It was in here. See this? Mm-hmm. And remember this? We don't need this.
Yeah. So we have this little thing that I put on the sink so the water can go where it needs to go and not get all over the counter. All right, let's go downstairs. You ready?
Ducky.
Put it in the bathtub.
I'm gonna put this. You should clean this.
That's
you should
dirty.
clean this first.
Okay, I'll clean it.
It's dirty. Really dirty.
Okay, you ready? Let's go downstairs.
Ew, this one's dirty.
Yeah, I know. It's old. All right, come on.
I wish I could do that.
All right, so I'm going to put all of this together. Not together, but set it up. So this thing right here, on the end of the sink right here. And I like it because, oh, let me take these off. I kind of broke this one. But it's kind of like sticky on the bottom and it stays sticky. Put it on the edge right here. Secure each part. And then you have this all set up. And it has a little cushion right here, which I like. So, cushion to keep her neck from hurting. Well, I gotta do your hair, girlfriend. I'm gonna try to finish as fast as I can doing your hair. I'm not trying to be here all day. My back be hurting, my arms be hurting. Okay, so then I have this little contraption. This is the MVP right here. I don't want to hear nothing about no screen time, okay? If this cuts down time, then it makes it easier. And anyways, when she's on her phone, I make sure that she's always, sometimes I'll let her watch like a movie or something or a show, but most of the time I make sure she does educational stuff. So I don't want to hear nothing about screen time. My kid has learned a lot being on the screen time. Like, yes, it should be limited, but she comes to me and she was teaching me about the dwarf planets. Obviously I didn't pay attention in school because I didn't know what the heck a dwarf planet was. Okay, so my kid is smart. So we got this cushion, keep her comfy, connect it right here. This goes right here so that she can be set up to watch whatever she wants to watch. We got this little contraption for the iPad so she can do her thing and let me focus because she is tender-headed. And then sometimes I use this if she's really I know I'm spoiling this kid, but it is what it is. I'm trying to create a different experience for her versus, or at least what I had to go through, because when I would get my hair washed, it wasn't fun. When I got my hair done, it was torture, okay? Like getting burned and popped and yelled at. We don't do that here, okay? We're gentle parenting. Move up, more, yeah, bam. Okay. And here we can watch or play, whatever you want to do. You know what you do.
No, I'm not.
She's at the home hairdresser. We had to make it a whole experience for her because she's a bougie baby. Relax, so you haven't even done anything yet. I haven't even touched her. Are you serious? Zoe, please.
So now that we're finally all set up to wash this hair, I just drench it with water. The way that her hair is, I believe it's high porosity. I always get it mixed up. I think her hair is high porosity. Y'all could check me in the comments because I could be wrong. But basically, with her hair, it needs to always be drenched. The more water, the better. When it's drenched, her curls just immediately come to life. I feel like the way to describe Zoe's hair is it's very, very dry. It gets crazy tangled. Like even after this, as her hair begins to dry, it will begin to get tangled again. So what I like to do is I'll start with this this is the UnBrush that like went viral on TikTok. I don't know if any of you seen it. At first I didn't really like it, but now that I've been getting the hang of how to use it properly on her hair specifically, I think it's amazing. So it's basically what I use to untangle the majority of the tangles and the knots in her hair. You know, she's going crazy right now because she doesn't even like if I breathe on her hair. But yeah, I use this for the majority of her hairs because it allows me to do bigger sections. And then I'll go in with these two other brushes. One is the Tangle Teezer brush.
This is my favorite to like really get the knots out. And this one too. This is good to like just start with the overall head to get the tangles out. But these are like the nitty gritties.
And I can't remember the name of the other one, but I'm going to show it in the video. I'll link everything in the description. But those two brushes paired with this one, it just does the job. But it definitely is a whole routine. So I'll use larger sections, detangling with this brush. And as you can see, it does pretty well. It speeds up the process. And it just makes detangling easier. All of these brushes, honestly, combined together, it just makes me and Zoe's life much easier. After I'm done detangling a section, I will just do a 2-strand twist so that I can get it out of the way. Let her hair soak and be saturated in the conditioner, which is what I'm using. I forgot to mention, sorry. I'm using conditioner on her hair first. So I actually condition her hair, detangle it in sections, and then I will go in and do a cleansing and then put a conditioner or a hair mask back. So I just really trying to make sure that I retain the moisture in her hair, because that's like one of the biggest things just in general, obviously when it comes to black hair, but specifically when it comes to Zoe's hair texture and just the way that her curls are. It's like it is moisture, 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 or moisture, moisture, or I'm going to pay for it. And her hair is going to get damaged. So that's the number one thing that I noticed for her hair texture that I have to do. Like it's a given. Even if I'm being lazy, I make sure I spray some water in there, either leave-in conditioner, like it has to be something, or a cream, something. Now that we're all detangled, I remove all of the sections and it's time to actually cleanse her hair now. So look at those curls. Like look at her curls thriving. It's such a big difference. You can actually see the definition. You can even see her length. It's crazy how much her hair shrinks when it is dry. It's insane. So I'm just going to rinse all of the conditioner out, and I make sure I rinse it out very, very well, because obviously I'm going to go in and cleanse, and I want to make sure I really specifically focus on cleansing her scalp. When I do cleanse her hair, I try to really only put it in her scalp and really cleanse that, and not focus so much on her ends, just because I don't want those to get dried out. This isn't a very drying shampoo anyways. I love this shampoo. I'll link it in the description as well, because after I'm done cleansing her hair, it feels really clean, but it doesn't feel too squeaky clean where her hair will tangle back. You know, her hair just doesn't do well with shampoos that are very stripping. I mean, hardly anybody's hair does, but you know what I mean. Like for her, it's like extremely detrimental to her hair. I will immediately start getting knots and tangles and sometimes even dreads. So that's why this process is super important for her hair. So I'm just going to rinse out the shampoo, and then after that, I'm going to go in with the same conditioner that I used to detangle her hair to bring that moisture back in. And you can even see right there, even though her hair is clean and shampooed, the curls are still popping. I do like a little extra detangle with the UnBrush just to make sure I didn't miss anything. And also, like I said, because her hair gets so tangled so quickly, I just want to make sure all of that work did not go to waste, because I have had that done before. Then when I'm done rinsing the conditioner out, I will use a leave-in conditioner all the time. I will drench her hair with that leave-in conditioner because I just want the moisture to be retained. And since she only wears her hair curly, I don't put any heat on it, no blow drying, nothing. I just put that bad boy in a cute little curly hairstyle, and that's how her hair has been thriving all of these years.
Right, we're finally done, y'all. Yeah. She's happy now that we're done because, hey, girl. So we wanted to be mini today. So now that her hair is all detangled, oh my gosh, that was a nightmare. I'm just gonna put her hair in 2 puffs. I like to do like low maintenance hairstyles with her hair, and you see,
yeah, like my
her hair
mom
thrives.
Yeah, like my mom. When we went to Disney, she had 2 Minnie Mouse ponytails, and then her hair. She left over her hair to make it pretty for down, and then she's cute.
Thanks. So yeah.
And beautiful.
Thank you, Mama. You're cute and beautiful. So we're gonna put her hair into puff balls.
So I'm gonna give Zoe some 2 puff balls. She wanted to be mini. Going back to me mentioning I don't like to put heat on her hair. I don't. She's probably had her hair blow dried once or twice in her life. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm trying to be all perfect with the way that I take care of her hair. It really comes from laziness because it's a lot of work. But I found that through my laziness, it has actually helped support her hair growth because I don't do hairstyles that are very manipulating to her hair. The most I'll do is her buns and her ponytails. And mind you, they're always loose. They're never tight. I usually only use silk scrunchies on her. And the most manipulation she'll get is like if it's really a time where I know it's going to be like vacation or we're going somewhere, you know, I just don't feel like doing her hair anymore, she'll get braids. But that's the most manipulation she'll get. Yeah. And I've noticed from doing that all of these years, thank God to the laziness of me. Actually, it's not even laziness because this is the whole process. But because I don't do any other crazy hairstyles, it's literally either a bun, 2 buns, maybe she'll get some twist, or she'll wear her hair in her natural fro, is the reason why her hair has grown and has just flourished. The only thing I do need to get better on is trimming her ends. But besides that, I feel like whatever I've been doing, of course I can always improve, but it has really helped her hair grow a lot.
And my beautiful princess.
I am.
Tell him.
Minnie Mouse. My mom did my hair for the Minnie Mouse ears, and I'm Snow White. Minnie Mouse.
Okay.
That's why I'm eating an apple.
He's so silly. You heard it here first. We gotta get the Minnie Mouse drip for her. So hurry up. Let me see, turn your face like a zipper. Come on, kiddo. All right, come on, Minnie.
Oh, I'm not Minnie. I'm Minnie Mouse Snow White.
Oh, okay.
Because I have this white.
Ooh.
And Snow White has this white.
I know, you look so stinking. That's it for this video, y'all. Y'all got to see a morning of me detangling her hair, getting this kid dressed, and I'm gonna start my day after this. So yeah, all the products and everything will be in the description or linked, because you can link on YouTube now, which is cool. And I'll see you in the next video. Zoe,
Bye.
say peace. Say peace out.
Peace out.